Hello, good evening friends. Today we have discussed the domestic electrical wiring. Why electrical wiring is required? What is its importance? Electrical wiring is mainly required for the houses and industries for providing the electrical power to lighting, fans and domestic applications. The primary object of electrical wiring is to distribute the electrical power for various points. So, the supply may be AC, the supply may be DC, wiring is required. Now, in almost world level, the AC supply is very popular. So, electrical wiring should satisfy following some important points. So, number one, it should be safety, electrical safety. It is more important aspect. So, there is no danger of leakage current or free from electric shock. Hence, the electrical safety, it is must. Hence, wiring should be done in such a manner, it should not allow flow of leakage current or electric shock. Hence, it is very important, prime importance. Second one, mechanical immunity. A wiring system should be different for different types of buildings. It may depends upon the structure, it may depends upon the other environmental conditions and weather conditions. Hence, depending upon the situation, type of the winding should be selected. As per weather situations, the mechanical immunity should have satisfaction, because winding should be done for longer life. It should have a longer life. Next important property, it is permeance. The wiring should not be deteriorate due to some certain action of dampness, fumes, weather. Hence, it has some certain sustainable capacity under these conditions also. Next is very important, appearance. The building beauty should not be disturbed. It is the main important. Wiring should be done in such a manner, the architecture of building should not be disturbed. Hence, such type of winding is more suitable. That is also one of the important property. Last one, it is observed cost. Whatever consumers first selection is for economical. If uneconomical, consumer may reject. Hence, the wiring system should be economical, and it also depends upon the type of buildings and purpose of wiring as the economical point of view. Next very important point, what you mean by open circuit, what you mean by closed circuit. In open circuit, the connection starts from phase. In phase, switch is placed, and in neutral wire lamp is connected. It shows a single phase AC supply 230 volts. When the switch is on, the current will flow, lamp is on. Switch means it is a contact. If switch is off means contact is open, it breaks the circuit. If switch is closed, that means the contact, it contacts the next series conductor path. So, in open circuit, current doesn't flows. The switch is on, then current flows. It is called closed circuit. You remember, in open circuit, current doesn't flow, lamp is off. In closed circuit, current flows, the lamp is on. Another important point, for the distribution type, we are using generally three-phase AC supply. The three-phase AC supply is taken from distribution transformer. Distribution transformer is of three-phase. So, hence the consumers may use single phase, the consumers may use three-phase. Hence, along with the three lines, if neutral wire is taken for connection, such a system is referred as three-phase 4-wire system, because in this type of system three-phase supply may be provided, or we can provide single phase AC supply, that is between line and neutral connection. On the other hand, if the neutral wire is not taken for further connections, such a AC system is referred as three-phase, three-wire system. So, as per the consumer's point of view, we are using second one, three-phase, four-wire AC system. So, secondary of distribution transformer is of three-phase, four-wire system, because the consumers may use single phase AC supply, the consumers may use three-phase AC supply. Sir, next one we can see there, two-way control. It is already known. One-way control means the operation of lamp is controlled by one switch, one-way switch. Now, the operation of lamp is controlled by two switches. Two switches are placed at different places of the building. So, it is also referred as staircase lighting, because one switch is placed at the ground floor, another switch is placed on first floor. Hence, we may control the operation of lamp either from ground floor, either from first floor. Hence, it is also referred as staircase lighting. Hence, it is known as two-way control of the lamp. You can see there, when the switch is in OA position, S1, similarly at S2 at PQ position, the circuit results a closed condition. Hence, the current will flow, the lamp is on. Similarly, when the switch is OA position, when the switch is PR position, it results open circuit. Hence, there is no flow of current. Hence, this type of electric circuit may be used in commercial applications. It may be in lodging, it may be in industrial corridors or institution corridors, or bedroom lighting. It is almost suitable for bedroom lighting. So, four possibilities are there, that those are as shown in table. In the same manner, the operation of lamp is controlled by two switches, S1, S2. You can see there, already we have discussed two positions. In this manner, logically, it may operate four conditions. When the lamp is on, the circuit is closed. When the lamp is off, at open circuit, that you remember. Hence, there is no limitations for only two-way control of lamp. Commercially, lighting may be done three-way, four-way, other possibilities also there. As the technology changes, electrical wiring system also changes, electrical controlling action also changes. Totally, we have to use innovative, we have to save the energy. That is the main objective. If everybody saves 1 rupees, then such like in India, we can save minimum 130 crore rupees. In similar fashion, if we can save 1 watt for each house, then it is possible to save minimum 130 watts, 130 crore watts. You can imagine. Hence, in the global level, instead of going for new generation plants, we have to go for saving of power. Saving of power is succeeded, then it is not possible to go for generation plants. In every field, agriculture, domestic, industry, we are not using electricity effectively. Hence, that loss should be reduced. Hence, it is possible to save the energy. Hence, in that manner, this wiring and control, later on soft control, remote control, all will come, sir. So, this one line diagram shows a typical electrical wiring for a house or a residence. You can observe here, we have taken the supply from lines. A pole is there. From the pole, 3 wires are there. Then one neutral wire is there. One line, one neutral. We have to take the connection. Red wire is line, black wire is neutral. So, first we have taken the supply from pole to house. These lines are called service lines. First, we have to take the connection and supply to energy meter. This is a instrument which measure the energy consumed by the consumer. How much energy you are consuming, that is expressed in kilowatt hour. We are calling units. It gives the number of units. So billing system is such like that per month your billing system should be done. Previous record it recorded or it is having information. Next present reading minus previous 1 month reading. So that gives total energy consumed in kilowatt hour into unit per charge, unit charge, then we are getting total electricity bill. So this output of energy meter is given to main MCB. This is one of the advanced protective device. So earlier we are using fuse. What is the function of fuse? Whenever overload condition or short circuit happens, the fuse may blow out. That means it protects the electrical equipments from the supply further danger. The same manner now, as per the innovative technique, same applications is met by MCB. Hence, if anything overload condition or short circuit condition occurs, this MCB becomes off. It is kept in on condition for working condition. Whenever overload condition or short circuit condition occurs, if you assume load is 10 ampere, we are using 10 ampere MCB, then MCB remains on. Whenever it crosses above the 10 ampere, for example, if you are passing 12 ampere or 15 ampere, then MCB makes off. Just like fuse blown out, here MCB becomes off. Hence, it protects the electrical equipments of house from main supply. This is the main thing. It is also called your meter board or distribution board. Later on we can refer panel board. It is simple arrangement. It consists energy meter. It consists MCB. In earlier days fuse is used. Now main circuit, then sub circuit. In sub circuits we are going to use again MCBs. That means first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor you are having. Each one is divided sub circuit. If anything happens in first floor, that respective MCB will be off. If it is not possible, then main MCB becomes off, sir. In this manner it will work. If the fifth floor, then fifth circuit breaker, fifth MCB will operate, respective MCB of sub circuit will operate. If it fails, then secondary protection is there, because protection is very important. If fault current stays some seconds, then firing may occur during the short circuit condition. Protection is very, very important. Hence, every electrical supply is distributed after the MCB. You keep in the mind, every distribution of supply should be done after protective device, that is MCB or fuse. If anything happens, this fuse will off, fuse will cut off, MCB will off, then there is no danger to house from the supply point. Hence, it disconnects the supply during abnormal conditions. Abnormal conditions means overload condition. Overload condition means if you are taking 2 idlis, normal condition, at the same instant if you take 4 idlis, that becomes abnormal condition. If we are fixed 10 ampere fuse, suddenly 15 ampere current will come, then it doesn't allows, it breaks the circuit. Hence, in this manner it will protect. So prepare, sir, this is very basic. Try to understand how the single phase AC supply is distributed from the pole to house. Thank you to one and all.